Alright folks, Vintage Diesel Equipment Service. It's noisy. There's an interstate over there and like a city behind us. We're in Fort Worth. We don't usually come this way. But with that said, remember the Ditch Witch Rt45 that we worked on the plow? Well, if you don't, maybe I'll remember to link it. You should go check it out though. With that said, if you happen to have a Ditch Witch Rt45 and on the back the auger won't turn anymore, let me show you what's going on. Because what you are going to need is a new bar and a new gear. Here's the old gear, and if you notice, look in there, see the teeth? They ain't there anymore. That's the problem. So we're going to switch this out. We're on a construction site. It's an enormous site, okay, and there's many people on it, and there's OSHA and all that. We have to wear hard hats and like safety vests and, you know, pants and stuff, you know. So yeah, get your laugh on about my overalls. I'm old. What do you want from me? But with that said, we're gonna get this switched out. Okay, we'll show you what the old stuff looked like, so you kind of get the point of what's going on. But you can see, I mean, it's worn the shaft totally out. There's nothing there to aug anymore. So we'll get this switched out and we'll show you and get it back on there. But as you can see, whenever it's on the equipment, these two plates are bolted together, kind of sandwiched, and you can see here there's two bolts. All right. Yeah, you're gonna undo those two bolts, okay, and that'll let you unsandwich it from the bar, and then you're just gonna work it off the chain. But anyway, we'll get this apart and go from there. All right, folks, I got it to where I think you can get you a good view. As you can see, it's just round and as smooth as a baby's butt, and inside there, as you can see, it's rounded off too. So it should look like this all the way across, and that should look like that, not like that. That's wrong. So if your auger ain't spinning, that's what you're gonna have to do to fix it. Real short, simple, easy solution. Okay, we'll show you what it looks like whenever we throw it back together. But like I say, I can't show you the part where we put it back on the equipment because of the site. I apologize for that. But at least we got to show you the solution, right? Good. By the way, these bearings, you could have bad bearings too. So you need to check your bearings and make sure your bearings are in good shape. And make sure you're greasing your bearings, okay? Bearings need grease, folks. So anyway, that should get you. All right, folks, so that's what it's going to wind up looking like. And then you'll just have that turned up in its proper orientation and everything, bolt it all back on, and you're good. All right, guys, I just went ahead and jumped out here and shot it. As you can see, this is everything all back in place. He's topping it all off with grease right there. There's a grease fitting right here. He's topping it all off with grease, and then that's got it. As you can see, it's just two bolts here, okay, and then you slide your augers off after you take your two bolts out on each side, and then them bolt your bolts on one of your bearing housings, and it'll just slide that out. Makes it a lot easier. Actually, you don't even have to unbolt that, just slide the whole plate off. But that's that. Like I said, that should get you worked out. So with that said, thanks for watching Vintage Diesel Equipment Service. We'll see you in the next video. Oh, the like, the subscribe. Maybe you want to join the channel. Hey, we'd appreciate it. See you next time, folks.